I will tell you of a wonder, of a strange and special place, shouldered high up in the mountains, in a most amazing grace. It is here among the centuries, hewn of stone against the sky, where the sweet and silver waters sing a gentle lullaby. Whoa, whoa, ooh, she is stirring in the silence like the shadow of a dream. And then from silent to the swirling, to the rushing of a stream. Whoa, this mountain is a mother, sending forth the very own, bringing life to all the planet, more than we could ever know. To every man and woman, every boy and every girl, she will carry out her mission for to quench a thirsty world. I am humbled by your story, even though you've just begun, with a deeper harmony than any song that has been sung. There are countless souls within you, and yet there is only one. You ask nothing for your giving, yet give life to everyone. You are the headwaters. Whoa, 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 whoa. I was foolish to forsake you, to harbor disregard. Oh, but now I've come to know you, come to see you as you are. Yes, I see the life within you, and I see your many forms. Most of all, the point and purpose to protect where you were born. From this moment and forever, I will tell what I have seen, how the children of the water will bring life to everything. I am humbled by your story, even though you've just begun, with a deeper harmony than any song that has been sung. There are countless souls within you, and yet you're the only one. You ask nothing for your giving, yet give life to everyone. Oh, yeah. Headwaters. Whoa, 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 whoa. Headwaters. Whoa, 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 whoa. Now I see headwaters. Whoa, 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 whoa. Now I feel headwaters. Whoa, 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 whoa. I am humbled by your story, even though you've just begun, with a deeper harmony than any song that has been sung. There are countless souls within you, and yet you're the only one. You ask nothing for your giving, yet give life to everyone. Headwaters of all the mothers and the fathers, you are the headwaters of all the sons and daughters. You are the headwaters.
The thing is, I hope it stays like that, and it looks like that. Untouched, leave it as it is. You know, that's my hope.